Welcome back to Transform Your Mind to Transform Your Life, the podcast. This is Life Coach Myrna Young, and you are listening to 5-Minute Fridays with Coach Myrna. Today, I want to teach on the subject, how to use feelings to manifest your dreams. One of the reasons that wealth coaches tell you to first visualize how much money you want and then feel that you already have it in your hand is because emotion and feelings are invisible forces that create success. The secret of feeling, or calling the invisible realm into the visible and feeling realm, is beautifully told in the Bible story of Isaac blessing his second son, Jacob, by the belief based solely on feeling that he was blessing his first son, Esau. So let me use this story as the foundational story to show you how to use feelings to manifest your dreams. In the Bible story, it is told that Isaac, who was old and blind, felt that he was about to leave this world and wishing to bless his firstborn son, Esau, before he died, sent Esau hunting for savory venison with the promise that on his return home, he would receive his father's blessing. Jacob's mother, Rebekah, overheard the father promise to bless Esau, and since Jacob was her favorite, she encouraged him to deceive his father and get the firstborn blessing. She sent Jacob to the flock to get a couple of young goats and prepared Isaac's favorite meal. Then she wrapped Jacob's arms and neck and with skin from the goats so that Jacob could feel like his brother Esau. When Jacob went in to see his father, pretending to be his father said, "You don't sound like Esau. Come closer so I can feel you." And of course, Isaac felt the hairy skin and was convinced that he was speaking to Esau and proceeded to give him his firstborn blessing. He blessed him with abundance of grain and wine, which represents the later promise of a land flowing with milk and honey. He blessed him with being the master over his brothers and having them bow down to him, which represents the later blessing of being head and not the tail, the lender and not the borrower. Finally, he blessed him that all who cursed him would be cursed, and all who blessed him would be blessed. That took care of all his enemies, both seen and unseen, forever. Wow, what a blessing, okay? So the secret of feeling is that whenever you desire, whatever you desire, you must feel it before it manifests. Isaac, the blind father, is your consciousness, your awareness of being. Esau, the hairy man, is your objectified world, the present moment, your present environment that you would know through your senses. Jacob represents your desire or subjective state. An idea not yet embodied, in short, your defined objective, or your dreams, or your goals, whatever label you want to put on it, something that you want, but you can't hold it in your hand yet. It's in your head. So here are 3 ways to use the feeling state to manifest your defined or desired objective. First, send your problem hunting. That means to take your attention off the problem. When you take your attention off the problem, you give it to the universe to solve, right? 2, with your eyes closed and your attention removed from your present circumstances, fix your mind on your desire. Begin to feel what you want to manifest. Feel that the very place that you are in at this moment is the place desired. Feel and sense the reality of it until you are consciously impressed with this fact. So let's make it practical. You want a home. You want a house on the beach. That's my dream. So what you do is that you feel that you're sitting in this house right now. You walk through it, you feel it, you see it, you touch it, and you impose on your subconscious mind that you are there. And how would you feel when you were there? That's the secret. Thirdly, in your imagination, see the thing desired. If you cannot visualize it, like some people have a hard time seeing pictures, then get a general outline of it, contemplate it, think about it, then mentally draw it close to you. Isaac said, "Come close, my son, that I may feel you. Feel the nearness of it. Feel it in your immediate presence. Feel the reality and solidity of it. Feel it and see it placed in the room which you are seated. Feel the thrill of the actual accomplishment and feel the joy that it will bring to you. Because anything that you desire is because you want the feeling that it will give to you once you have it. So you got to walk in it right now. You got to feel it right now. And the forces of nature bring it to you. All part of the law of attraction. So this is how you use feelings to manifest your dreams and desires and walk in your blessings of abundance. This is Life Coach Myrna Young, and you have been listening to 5-Minute Fridays with Coach Myrna. I want to invite you to join my life coaching group on Facebook, where you would be inspired daily by dozens of coaches and, of course, myself. Until next time, I will see you right back here next week for another episode of 5-Minute Fridays with Coach Myrna. Until then, namaste.